everyone, it's Angela and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do my best to keep this intro very short because you saw the title, you know why you're here. So basically, I got some new Bible accessories and I also got a new Bible. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I picked up. All of these were from Amazon. It's not sponsored, by the way, but yeah, it's from Amazon. You can find various Bible journals. So this is my new Bible. I'll do like a more in-depth close-up so you guys can see what's going on here. So this is actually the NIV version, and I got this version because it's just easier for me to digest and read, because I want to make that a goal of mine, is to actually get through reading the Bible, because I've actually never read the fullness of it. I've never read from start to finish. So yeah, I mean, I'm 23 years old and I'm now getting to it now. So as I said earlier, this is a Bible journal. So inside there are actually spaces to write and everything just along the side. As you can see, I already started reading it and kind of going through it on my own. There are pages in here that I've already started reading and kind of going through it and adding my own notes. If you guys want like a full in detail tour, or if you want a Bible journey with me video, then please let me know in the comments. I'm just coming back to YouTube, so you know, I've changed a lot in the years that I've been gone. I think I've been gone from this channel for 2 years, and I'm gonna be making different content. I'm not sure how you guys will receive it. And on the sides, like sometimes I like to do little illustrations and to kind of help me follow along. I'm a very artistic person, so for me, I understand things better when I can literally interact with it physically, like drawing it out, writing it out. I don't like, you know, the digital Bible. Let me know if you guys are the same in the comments. So I got that, and then I also got these colorful Bible tabs. I'm going to be putting these in my new Bible later on. And then I also got some new highlighters. So these are actually Bible highlighters specifically, and I got these ones off of Amazon. I wanted highlighters that weren't going to seep through on the other page and just mess up the whole process. So yeah, that's another advice or tip I have for you if you are trying to get into Bible reading, Bible study. Definitely get highlighters that are specifically Bible highlighters. Oh, I just realized this. Okay, so actually these highlighters have like a legend, or like a, what do you call it? Whatever, I'm gonna call it a legend. They have a legend here of what each color stands for. Yeah, so you can see what each color stands for here. You can highlight in accordance to that rubric, or you can make up your own. You know, this is not a rule guide, but I think I'm actually going to start doing this. I haven't been doing it, but I think I should start because yeah, it'll help me understand what is what better. So learn something new. So yeah, this and this is what's going on today. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I put in these Bible tabs and actually learning through the process. I've never put in Bible tabs before, so I hope I do it right, because I don't want to have to order new ones and mess up the pages or anything. So yeah, I'm going to go through the process. I wanted to get these floral ones because I wanted my Bible to just look, you know, inviting. I don't know, it just feels better and it kind of encourages me to read the words. So yeah, we're gonna get into it, and I'm just gonna stop rambling and let you guys watch the video. right, so if you are here, you made it to the end of the video, and I just want to say a huge thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. I am thinking of starting a Christian girl or Christian woman series on my channel, and I'm not sure how it's going to be received by you guys, but I am curious and interested if that's what you want to see. So yeah, let me know if that's something that you'd be interested in seeing, because I would totally be down to make that sort of content for you. Like, comment, and subscribe. And today's notification squad shout out goes to this person on the screen, and I just want to thank you guys. If you want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified when I post a video, and be the first 2 people to comment. And I usually shout out the first person or the first 2 people. So yeah, make sure you turn on those notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video.